To all my South African viewers, Dreamwear Tech is a computer e-tailer located in Durban who believes in ethical prices and customer service. They supply a wide range of products from some of your favorite brands like MSI, Gigabyte, Corsair, Razer, and many more. They're currently running a special on an MSI Gaming X Trio RTX 2080, so if you are looking to save some cash or build a new system, go check out dreamweartech.co.za. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech. Now, the Kraken X is Razer's more budget-friendly gaming headset that is currently retailing for around $50 on Amazon or 950 Rand on Rebel Tech here in South Africa. Because of the lower price tag, Razer did need to lower the build quality somewhat. The frame and the ear cups are entirely made from a plastic with no aluminum reinforcement on the inside. The headset doesn't feel like it's cheaply made, but I will say that you need to be careful when using it. It can flex and twist open a fair amount, with the ear cups also being able to tilt a bit, but I'm not sure how it will handle multiple drops or very rough use. Compared to the other Kraken headsets, the X has a much smaller ear cups. I'm not really a fan of small headsets, but the X was able to completely cover my ears and it didn't feel like it was squishing them inside. The X was actually much more comfortable than I initially thought it would be, again with that smaller ear cups and just for the price it was going for. The cushions you get is a full leather-write memory foam with a nice soft touch to them. Also, if you are like me where your ears do tend to scratch against the inside of the driver wall, which can get really annoying, you don't have to worry. The X does not have that problem with a nice soft fabric against the driver. The headband does also have some leatherite foam padding at the top that does do a decent job. Now, Razer did also include the mic mute and volume control wheel at the back of the left ear cup, like most of their other headsets, which is always really handy. Moving on to sound isolation and sound bleed, the X does make a pretty good seal around your ear, with the clamping force also not being too much, but just enough to prevent the headset from easily falling off when you bang your head around. Now, you will be able to hear some loud sounds around you, but for just people talking close by, it does do a good job, especially without ANC. Sound bleed is also not too bad, but people really close to you will be able to hear what you're listening to, so you might not want to push it too loud there. Now, as for volume and sound quality, the X was plenty loud enough for me and should also be for most people. The quality was also actually much better than I initially thought it would be, as like with the quality. It's not perfectly balanced across the frequency range, with the mids standing out a bit more, but the lows was good with decent amount of bass, although it's not like thumping heavy bass, and then also the highs being clear and crisp. Now, of course, you can't expect to do any high-grade audio work with these, but just for gaming, listening to music and movies, they're also going to be perfect for that. Moving on to the microphone, you get a non-detachable bendable mic, which is really unfortunate. If Razer added a detachable mic or an extractable mic like on all their other headsets, it would have made the X that much greater for an all-purpose headset. So if you wanted to use this headset in a public, because it does actually look nice and low-key, you can't really, because now there's this microphone next to your head and it just looks weird. So I'm not exactly sure what Razer was thinking when designing this microphone, but they just could have made it that much better. Now, as for the microphone sound quality, as you guys can hear, it actually sounds pretty good, better than I expected again. I'm currently recording into Streamlabs. I didn't boost any of these settings. It's just 100% no boost applied, so it could be a bit soft, but the quality is good, definitely. As for noise cancellation, I've cherry mixed blues here on my lap, and it doesn't do the best job for those, but for just normal use, it's definitely gonna be good enough. Just chatting with your friends in a game, recording, it's not gonna be the best for that, but again, it's a $50 gaming headset. Mic, actually not that bad. quality wise, but still I wish I could remove this thing. Next up is the cable, which is non-braided with a length of 1.3 meters and has a 90-degree TRRS connection at the end. Also included in the box is a 1.3 meter extension cable that splits into dual mic and headphone jacks. So if you wanted to use it on a PC, it works, and same goes for consoles, Xbox, and also for PlayStation. So then finally, in conclusion, the Kraken X actually surprised me somewhat with good comfort and sound quality. The build quality is okay, same goes for the microphone. The only thing that I didn't like again was that the microphone is fixed, and it takes away so many possibilities of using this headset other than gaming in your room, which is a major downfall. But other than that, this headset is actually really good and is definitely worth that $50 price tag. So if you want to get it for yourself, I will leave links in the video description where you can find it on Amazon and also Rebel Tech. So check them out there. Also, a big thanks to Apex Interactive for sending this headset over for review. If you guys like this review, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I will check all of you next time. Cheers, guys.